Hi there. Ready to practice talking about time?
Absolutely. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's 10 to 6. It's 10 to 6.
When does the movie start? When does the movie start?
At 7:30 p.m., don't be late. At 7:30 p.m., don't be late.
How long will the meeting take? How long will the meeting take?
About an hour, I think. About an hour, I think.
What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up?
Around 6 a.m. on weekdays. Around 6 a.m. on weekdays.
Is it time for lunch yet? Is it time for lunch yet?
Almost. Let's go in 5 minutes. Almost. Let's go in 5 minutes.
When are you free this week? When are you free this week?
I'm free on Thursday afternoon. I'm free on Thursday afternoon.
How long have you lived here? How long have you lived here?
For about 3 years. For about 3 years.
What time does the store close? What time does the store close?
It closes at 9 p.m. every day. It closes at 9 p.m. every day.
Can we meet at 3 o'clock? Can we meet at 3 o'clock?
Sure. Where should we meet? Sure. Where should we meet?
How long does it take to get to the airport? How long does it take to get to the airport?
Normally 30 minutes, but traffic can add more. Normally 30 minutes, but traffic can add more.
When's your birthday? When's your birthday?
It's on June 12th. It's on June 12th.
What time did you go to bed last night? What time did you go to bed last night?
Late, around midnight. Late, around midnight.
How often do you exercise? How often do you exercise?
3 times a week, usually in the morning. 3 times a week, usually in the morning.
When does the bus arrive? When does the bus arrive?
In about 10 minutes, according to the app. In about 10 minutes, according to the app.
How long will you stay in town? How long will you stay in town?
Just 2 days. I leave on Friday. Just 2 days. I leave on Friday.
What time is your flight? What time is your flight?
It departs at 11:20 a.m. tomorrow. It departs at 11:20 a.m. tomorrow.
When did you last see your family? When did you last see your family?
Last weekend, we had dinner together. Last weekend, we had dinner together.
How much longer until the show starts? How much longer until the show starts?
15 minutes. Let's find our seats. 15 minutes. Let's find our seats.
Do you have time to grab coffee now? Do you have time to grab coffee now?
Yes, I've got 20 minutes before my next meeting. Yes, I've got 20 minutes before my next meeting.
What time should I pick you up? What time should I pick you up?
How about 2:15? That gives us plenty of time. How about 2:15? That gives us plenty of time.
Great job practicing with us today.
Like and subscribe for more daily English conversations. See you next time.